Hi, are you ready to become a superstar nail technician? If you are, don't skip this video as there is a surprise waiting for you at the end that you will absolutely love. First of all, what does being a superstar nail technician mean? Being a superstar nail tech can mean different things to different people, but it is definitely being able to create masterpiece designs that amaze your clients every single time. It is being able to charge premium fees for your nail art and services, and of course, it is becoming recognized in the nail tech community. For over a year, we've been working on a proven method of how you can become a superstar nail technician. And now I'm super excited to let you know that it is ready. The ultimate online expert nail technician course that features 62 HD video lectures with new and unique content that can make you a superstar nail tech. This is the only course that covers all the essential topics like nail preparation, proper sculpting, safe e-file operation, nail art secrets, and then goes into more detailed lectures with knowledge on ergonomics and features the whole section on how to eliminate lifted nails. This course is not product specific, so you're welcome to use any brand you are currently using as long as it lets you achieve the results you are aiming for. Being a superstar nail technician involves knowing how to build your business too, so you can get fully booked even when charging premium fees. That's why you will find a whole marketing section at the end of the course with marketing expert Vitaly, who will guide you through critical topics such as branding, client scheduling, pricing, and he will also share ways how you can get new clients. And if you ever wondered about technical aspects of being a nail technician, there are Science Corner lectures where technical advisor Alex will guide you through e-file, UV lamps, and disinfection. One of the best parts about this course is that no matter what level you are at, whether you are a fresh or a veteran nail technician, there is lots of information that will be extremely valuable for you. Oh, and here is the promised surprise! Enjoy your unique 55% discount code for the course. Simply enter coupon code SUPERSTAR when signing up for your course to become a superstar nail technician. Don't miss on this unique opportunity to boost your career that can mean being able to finally take that one extra vacation you always wanted, growing your business and opening your own salon, or becoming recognized in the nail tech community. Join me in this expert nail technician course and become a superstar nail tech. The link is just below the video. It will take you right to the course, which is hosted on Udemy, to give you the ultimate learning experience with on-demand lectures, constant updates, interactive sections, instructor announcements, and much more. I am so confident that this course will completely transform your career and life. So it features a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, the course is completely risk-free. See you in one of the lectures.